This is Dr. Amin. Today we will discuss about binomial distribution. What is binomial distribution and how to derive mean and variance of binomial distribution. Mean and variance of binomial distribution. So binomial distribution is a discrete distribution, that is here random variable x is discrete random variable. The probability mass function of a binomial distribution is p of x equals to ncx p power x q power n minus x, and x varies from 0 to n, where n is number of trials, and p is probability of success, and q is probability of failure, and x equals to number of success, and n minus x is number of failures, Okay. There are three assumptions for binomial distribution. One is, in binomial distribution, number of trials are fixed, and probability of success p is constant in each and every trial, and each experiment has two outcomes. For example, tossing of a coin, there are two outcomes, head and tail. So similarly, in binomial distribution, each experiment must has two outcomes, and fourth one is probability of success and probability of failure equals to 1. These are four assumptions of binomial distribution. N is fixed, p is constant, probability of success is constant in each and every trial, and each experiment has two outcomes, and probability of success and probability of failure is equals to 1. Okay. Now we will discuss how to find mean and variance of binomial distribution. What is expectation? Expectation is a concept to find the mean and variance of probability distribution. Expectation of x is nothing but mean. It is also equals to first non-central movement mu1 dash. In discrete case, expectation of x is given by x equals to 0 to n x into p of x. Now I am calculating expectation for binomial distribution, that is why I am taking x limits 0 to n, that equals to summation x equals to 0 to n x into the probability mass function of binomial distribution is ncx p power x q power n minus x. Now summation x equals to 0 to n x into ncx. So NCR, we know that NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here NCX is n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial p power x q power n minus x. Okay. Now summation x equals to 0 to n x into n factorial, n into n minus 1 factorial by x factorial is x into x minus 1 factorial into n minus x factorial p power x q power n minus x. Here x gets cancelled. Summation n into n minus 1 factorial by x minus 1 factorial into n minus x factorial p power x into q power n minus x. Here n is constant term, so I am writing here before summation n into summation n minus 1 factorial by x minus 1 factorial into n minus x factorial p power x q power n minus x, that equals to n into some n minus 1 factorial by x minus 1 factorial into n minus x factorial. So it is in the form of NCR, where n is n minus 1 and r is x minus 1. So summation n minus 1 c x minus 1 p power x into q power n minus x. Okay. Here summation x equals to 0 to n, right? If you take x equals to 0, then you will get negative value here, 0 minus 1. That's why I am changing x values from 0 to 1 to n, x equals to 1 to n. Here x equals to 0 to n, x equals to 0 to n. Here I am changing 0 to 1 because of negative values. Okay. Now n into, now expand this expression from 1 to n term. If you take x equals to 1, then n minus 1 c, 1 minus 1 is 0, p power 1, q power n minus 1. Before this, I am multiplying, dividing with 1p. So here np, p power x minus 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, q power n minus x is n minus 1, plus take x equals to 2, then we will get n minus 1 c 1, p power 1, q power n minus 1, plus and so on, nth term. So n minus 1 c n, p power n minus 1, q power n minus n. So this is, we observe that this is a binomial expansion. What is binomial expansion? For example, there are two variables x and y. So x plus 1 y whole power n equals to nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y plus nc2 x power n minus 2 y square plus and so on. So this is general binomial expression. Now compare this expression where n is n minus 1 and y is q, right? X is q, y is p. So n minus p into q plus p whole power n minus 1. We know that q plus p equals to 1. So probability of success plus probability of failure is always equals to 1. So np into 1 is np. So this is the mean of binomial distribution, that equals to expectation of x. This is mean of binomial distribution. Similarly, calculate mu2 dash, second non-central movement, that is mu2 dash. Mu2 dash equals to expectation of x square. So by the definition of expectations, expectation of x square equals to summation 0 to n x square into p of x. Now summation x equals to 0 to n, x square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x into p of x. Okay. Now multiply with the summation and p of x, we will get summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into p of x plus summation x equals to 0 to n x into p of x. Already we have this value, summation x into p of x nothing but mu1 dash. So what is the mean of binomial distribution? np. So substitute here np plus np. Now summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into ncx p power x q power n minus x. This is the probability mass function of binomial distribution. So now expand this term, n factorial summation x equals to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial into n minus x factorial p power x minus 2. I am multiplying and dividing with 1 p square. So p square plus np. Okay. Now x minus 1, x minus cancel. Here n into n minus 1 p square are constants. Summation x equals to 0 to n remaining terms. So now it is in the form of NCR. So n minus 2 c x minus 2 p power x minus 2 q power n minus x plus np. Now expand x equals to 0 to n, but if you take x equals to 0, then you will get negative value. That's why I am changing 0 to 2. Here x takes 0 to x equals to 2 to n values. After simplification, we will get n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. This is the second non-central movement mu2 dash. Now we have mu1 dash value, mu1 dash nothing but expectation of x, and we have expectation of x square. By using these two, we will calculate variance. What is the formula for variance? So variance equals to mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. In terms of expectations, expectation of x square minus expectation of x square. Now substitute mu2 dash value. Mu2 dash is n into n minus 1 into p square plus np minus mu1 dash is np whole square. Now n into n square p square. So n square p square minus n into 1 into p square np square plus np minus n square p square, right? So minus n square p square plus n square p square gets cancelled, that equals to np minus np square, that equals to np is common 1 minus p np into q. So this is the variance of binomial distribution. So for a binomial distribution, mean is np and variance is npq, where n is number of trials, p is probability of success, q is probability of failure. Q is probability of failure. Thank you.